Okay, so today's lesson is about cleaning up your desktop. Mine's getting a little bit messy, so I think I need to clean this up a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up here to File. I'm gonna say New Folder, and it's appeared off to the upper right-hand corner up there. It says it's Untitled Folder. It's still highlighted blue, or highlighted, so I can type in whatever name I want to put. So I'm going to call it Stuff. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this massive pile of stuff. I'm going to select and hold and grab all this stuff. Now it's all selected. I'm going to shovel all that billion piles of 70 items into the Stuff folder. Hold it there for a second. And put it into the folder. It has been moved into the Stuff folder. I'm going to move that over there a little bit. Pull it out. And then I'm going to click right here. I will make it as a list view. Usually rates it by name. And you can see all the different file names. And then you can go up here to View, Show View Options. Turn that icon size up a little bit so you can actually see some of your documents now. Click out of that, and you can see all the different little documents you have that used to be a giant mess on your desktop. All nice and neat and organized.